Laying hardwood floors across multiple rooms can totally change your home's vibe, but it's kinda tricky if you don't know the right way to do it. So, first thing, you gotta plan your layout carefully. Like, figure out where all the seams are gonna go and try to keep them tight and clean between rooms. Always start laying the hardwood in the longest or most visible room, so the grain flow feels natural when you move into the next spaces. Use transition strips or thresholds at doorways to cover any gaps and make the change from one room to another look smooth. Make sure your subfloor is clean, dry, and level everywhere before you even think about nailing or gluing down those planks. Keep your hardwood acclimated to the house for a few days before installation so it doesn't warp or shrink later on. Use spacers along the walls to leave an expansion gap because wood expands and contracts with humidity. That's super important for preventing buckling. And don't rush the cuts. Measure twice and cut once to avoid wasting wood or ending up with weird gaps. Finally, work patiently and check your alignment constantly so your floors look professional and flow seamlessly from one room to the next. One of the biggest headaches when installing hardwood floors across multiple rooms is uneven subfloors, which can cause squeaks or uneven boards. Fix this by leveling your floor with a self-leveling compound or sanding high spots before laying wood. Another problem is poor transition handling between rooms, which can make spaces look disjointed. Using proper transition strips or thresholds will help create a natural flow while covering expansion gaps. The third common mistake is not acclimating the wood to your home's temperature and humidity before installation, which leads to gaps or buckling later. Keep your planks inside the house for at least 3 days to get them used to the environment. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it makes finding trusted local contractors super easy for homeowners who want quality work done without stress. Plus, contractors get a steady stream of legit job opportunities, so everyone wins when it comes to connecting people with the right pros for their hardwood floor projects.